The Factories Act 1948, Act No. 63 of 1948, Chapter 5, Welfare. 42. Washing facilities. 1. In every factory, A. Adequate and suitable facilities for washing shall be provided and maintained for the use of the workers therein. B. Separate and adequately screened facilities shall be provided for the use of male and female workers. C. Such facilities shall be conveniently accessible and shall be kept clean. 2. The state government may, in respect of any factory or class or description of factories or of any manufacturing process, prescribe standards of adequate and suitable facilities for washing. 43. Facilities for storing and drying clothing. The state government may, in respect of any factory or class or description of factories, make rules requiring the provision therein of suitable places for keeping clothing not worn during working hours and for the drying of wet clothing. 44. Facilities for sitting. 1. In every factory suitable arrangements for sitting shall be provided and maintained for all workers obliged to work in a standing position, in order that they may take advantage of any opportunities for rest which may occur in the course of their work. 2. If, in the opinion of the chief inspector, the workers in any factory engaged in a particular manufacturing process or working in a particular room are able to do their work efficiently in a sitting position, he may, by order in writing, require the occupier of the factory to provide before a specified date such seating arrangements as may be practicable for all workers so engaged or working. 3. The state government may, by notification in the official gazette, declare that the provisions of subsection 1 shall not apply to any specified factory or class or description of factories or to any specified manufacturing process. 45. First aid appliances. 1. There shall in every factory be provided and maintained so as to be readily accessible during all working hours first aid boxes or cupboards equipped with the prescribed contents, and the number of such boxes or cupboards to be provided and maintained shall not be less than 1 for every 150 workers ordinarily employed, 1 at any one time in the factory. 2. Nothing except the prescribed contents shall be kept in a first aid box or cupboard. 3. Each first aid box or cupboard shall be kept in the charge of a separate responsible person. 3. Who holds a certificate in first aid treatment recognized by the state government and who shall always be readily available during the working hours of the factory. 4. In every factory wherein more than 500 workers are ordinarily employed there shall be provided and maintained an ambulance room of the prescribed size, containing the prescribed equipment and in the charge of such medical and nursing staff as may be prescribed. 6. And those facilities shall always be made readily available during the working hours of the factory. 46. Canteens. 1. The state government may make rules requiring that in any specified factory wherein more than 250 workers are ordinarily employed, a canteen or canteens shall be provided and maintained by the occupier for the use of the workers. 2. Without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power, such rules may provide for A. The date by which such canteen shall be provided. B. The standards in respect of construction, accommodation, furniture and other equipment of the canteen. C. The foodstuffs to be served therein and the charges which may be made therefor. D. The constitution of a managing committee for the canteen and representation of the workers in the management of the canteen. D. The items of expenditure in the running of the canteen which are not to be taken into account in fixing the cost of foodstuffs and which shall be borne by the employer. E. The delegation to the chief inspector, subject to such conditions as may be prescribed, of the power to make rules under clause C.